Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 7 of exercise 6.3. Altitudes AD and C intersect and P. Both are 90 degree. ये जब 90 बना रहा है तो ये भी 90 बनाएगा, ये 90 है. To prove this triangle is similar to that and this triangle is similar to that, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB and triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Firstly, we will try to prove first part. Prove AEP, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. So student, this is vertically opposite angle and this is 90 degree. According to AA similarity, you can say that both triangles are similar. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Angle CPD, vertically opposite angle. When two line segment intersect them, then vertically opposite angle are formed. And this is 90 degree. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. Angle CDP each 90 degree. According to A similarity, you can say that both triangles are similar. So show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by A similarity. Angle similarity, you can say that both are congruent. Second part, in triangle ABD and triangle CB. See in figure, triangle ABD, this triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE and triangle CBE. So this triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B is common in both. Angle B is equal to angle B common. And ABD, this angle, and CBE, this angle, each 90 degrees. So angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, each 90 degree. So that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by A similarity. You can say that both triangles are what? Similar. Third part, student. Third part is that in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. See in figure AEP. This AEP, and triangle ADB and triangle ADB. Angle A is common in both. Angle A is equal to angle A common. AEP and triangle ADB. तो triangle angle ADB is equal to angle AEP, each 90 degree, so that triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity. Both triangle are similar, student. And next, fourth part is that this is fourth part. In fourth part, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Triangle PDC and triangle BEC. PDC, see in figures. PDC and triangle BEC. Angle C is common. Angle C is equal to angle C common. And कौन सा BEC, this and PDC, this. तो एंगल PDC is equal to angle BEC. Angle BEC each 90 degree, so that triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by a similarity. Hence, prove this together. This angle is common and this both are 90 degrees, so that by a similarity you can say that this is similar. Next question, student. Next question is that question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram AD, ABCD. Firstly, we create a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. Side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD E तक, AD को E तक प्रोड्यूस किया गया, and then after B intersect CD at F. B intersect CD at F to show that ट्रायंगल ABE CFB के सिमिलर होगा. तो गिवन क्या है स्टूडेंट? गिवन E is a point on side AD. AD produced up to E in parallelogram ABCD. E produced AD up to E in such a way that A and B intersect at F. To prove triangle ABE सिमिलर होगा ट्रायंगल CFB के। ट्रायंगल CFB ये वाला ट्रायंगल ABE CFB के पैरेलल होगा। प्रूफ करते हैं स्टूडेंट, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। इन ट्रायंगल ABE एंड ट्रायंगल CFB angle A is equal to angle C. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angle of, this is the property, opposite angle of parallelogram ABCD. And next, अब this is the parallel line, तो this angle is equal to that angle. सपोज इसको 1 मान लीजिए और इसको 2 मान लीजिए, तो एंगल 1 is equal to एंगल 2 alternate इंटीरियर एंगल ये इक्वल हो गए। So that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by AA similarity, hence proof। आइए फिर से देख लेते हैं स्टूडेंट। दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दैट एंगल, अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम, एंड AB इज पैरेलल टू DC। सिंस AB इज पैरेलल टू DC, ये पैरेलल लाइन है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, तो अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल विल बी इक्वल। तो बाय टू कंडीशन यू कैन से दैट दिस ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर टू दैट ट्रायंगल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं स्टूडेंट। Question number 9 is that in figure is given this and this ABC and this is PM, this is 90 degree. What is given? Figure is given. Triangle ABC and AMP are two right angle triangle. Both are right angle triangle. at B and M, triangle ABC, and triangle ALP are right angle triangle. To prove, first part, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and second part, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Let us try to prove, student. First part, in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So triangle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each 90 degree, student, and angle A is common in both. देखिए, इस ट्रायंगल में भी एंगल A है और इस ट्रायंगल में भी एंगल A है, तो एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल A कॉमन, so that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA, similarity. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, जब एंगल इक्वल हैं तो बाय CPST यू कैन से दैट. अब आप देखिए स्टूडेंट, CA by PA, सेकेंड पार्ट, सिंस triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट, CA by PA, CA इस 90 के सामने का एंगल और इस 90 के सामने की साइड ये और इस 90 के सामने की साइड ये, CA by PA इज इक्वल टू BC, परपेंडिकुलर ये है और ये भी परपेंडिकुलर है, इज इक्वल टू BC by MP. और नेक्स्ट भी आप लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट, व्हाट, इसका ये ट्रायंगल साइड, ये वाली साइड इस वाले साइड पे इक्वल हो जाएगी स्टूडेंट, लेकिन ये हमको प्रूफ नहीं करना है, तो हेंस प्रूफ बाय CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle, hence proved. And question number 10, do yourself in HW student. Thank you.